So good morning friends. Today we'll be demonstrate how to e-vote for this chapter and zonal election of 2020. You will be receiving two mails from evoting@nsdl.com. One email for the chapter and one email for the zone. You have to read instruction carefully. In continuation to the previous intimation, this regard the e-voting for the chapter and zonal council election 2020 will be commenced on Tuesday, 3rd November 2020 at 7 a.m. That is today, and end at same Tuesday, 3rd November 2020 at 7 p.m. The e-voting will not be allowed beyond the aforesaid date and time, and e-voting module shall be disabled by National Securities Depository Limited (NSDL) upon expiry of aforesaid period. So friends, after that, you have to remember that what is your membership number. Like suppose your membership number is A/S/12345, then password for opening the attachment will be AS12345, that is without slash. It's a plain AS12345. Needless to say that do not share your user ID password with any other person. So we are opening and I am putting my So I put my user ID password and now the screen is open. It's showing your user ID and password. After that, you have to log in by clicking on this link. So friends, you have to click on this evoting.nsdl.com. Once you go on this site, you have to go in web check-in and click on the web check-in. Then you can put your user ID without keeping any special characteristics, that is colon, percentage, asterisk. You have to remove all these things and simply put your user ID. Here by mistake I have again typed the colon, so I have to remove all these things. Even I have to remove the back space also, and then put my password. Before that, I have to do the verification code, that is captcha we can call. In this case, you can see this 583222, and password I have to put it. Let us see. Click on the box and then yes, it's open. Now based on this, you can change your password first. So I am changing my password, new password, whatever I wanted to put, I can put it. Again, you have to remember that it's a case sensitive. You have to use numeric as well as alphabet also. Mobile number, pin code and address, and then I have to confirm it. Yes, now the password is there. Again, I have to put user ID, then my password, which I have created myself. Same, I agreed, and then login. Now the login is completed. My profile is there, my e-voting is there. So I have to go on e-voting. Active e-voting. So again, active e-voting, event number in case of it's Maharashtra 114810. I have to click on that event. It will shows the detail. First, it will shows a candidate detail. The candidate 1, candidate 2, candidate 3, candidate 4. Suppose I wanted to give a vote to candidate 1. I will click over here. In chapter, I have to select 7 candidates. So I am selecting 7 candidates. For demo purpose, I am selecting this candidate. You can choose your own candidate. 7 candidate I have taken. So once I tick, I will submit, and this way I have completed my chapter voting. It will show you again the numbers. You have to cross check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure that you have to cast only 7 votes for the chapter and then confirm. Once you submit it, it will show the message that vote cast successfully. Click on the print button below to print details of the current e-voting cycle. If you wanted to print, you can print it. Okay. Successfully completed our chapter voting. Congratulations. You are a responsible Islam member and you have casted your vote for the chapter. Now, again, you have to go to your mailbox, check. There is another mail for the zonal election. So I am going to zonal election. Again, I have to put my membership number as a password. It's a plain thing. Submit. Again, another user ID is there. You have to type, you have to save your user ID. Go to the NSDL site. Here you have to again logged in. Go to the web check-in. put your user ID. This is a different user ID. You have to put it carefully. I have to do all this thing again. Click on this cell and go to the login. I have to change my password again. Again, same rules are applied. One uppercase, lowercase, special character, numerical number, and password should contain minimum 8, maximum 15 character. Mail ID and confirm the things. Once it is a confirm, you will receive this window. Update was successfully, and again click here to log in. Click here, go to the login. I am on the same window. I have to go to the e-voting. Now it's showing the zone. See carefully, Isla West Zone. So I have to click on the event. It will show your candidate in your respective zone. Candidate 1, candidate 2. You have a right 6 votes for this zonal election. So you have to exercise your rights. You have to click on candidate. This is only for the demo purpose. Please, you are independent. You have to cast your vote independently. Do not get influenced by anybody's or these videos candidate. This is for demo purpose. We are selecting only. You have to recheck 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then submit. Once it is, you have to reconfirm it. You have to cross check whether 6 votes you have selected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and confirm. Congratulations, you have successfully casted your vote for the zonal election. If you want print, you can take print. This way, you have successfully casted your vote as a responsible Islam member. Please do your voting today. And after this voting, you will receive SMS from the NSDLDP saying that, dear so-and-so, you have successfully casted your vote for 6th resolution of Isla West Zone. So thank you very much, all the friends. This is a demo. You have to exercise your vote independently without influencing with anybody. Cast your vote. Be a responsible Islam member. Thank you very much.